What's up, everybody? Are you tired of those sad, wilted cucumber plants that just won't seem to thrive? Well, today we're going to unlock the secrets to growing luscious, juicy cucumbers that will have you saying, wow. Where did all these cucumbers come from? That's right, I'm talking about the one thing that makes all the difference in cucumber cultivation, the ultimate fertilizer. Now, before we reveal what this magical substance is, let me ask you a question. Have you ever noticed how some cucumber plants just seem to be struggling, while others are just overflowing with cucumbers? The secret, my friends, lies in the soil. You see, the health of your cucumber plant starts with the quality of the soil it's growing in. And that's where our ultimate fertilizer comes into play. Now, when it comes to feeding your cucumber plants, you want to think about two things: health and quality. That's because healthy plants are more resistant to diseases and pests, which means you can grow more cucumbers with less hassle. So what is this ultimate fertilizer that will make your cucumbers grow like crazy? Drum roll, please, it's organic fertilizer. But why organic fertilizer? Well, here's the thing. Organic fertilizers are made from natural materials like compost, manure and bone meal, which provide essential nutrients for your cucumber plants. Plus, they improve soil quality by increasing microbial activity, which enhances soil fertility and water retention. This means your cucumbers will have access to the nutrients they need to grow big and juicy. Not only that, but organic fertilizers also help create a balanced ecosystem in your soil, promoting strong root growth and disease resistance. It's like giving your cucumber plants a nutritious meal that they crave, resulting in an abundance of fresh, delicious cucumbers. And the best part is there are so many different types of organic fertilizers to choose from. Depending on your needs, you can use compost tea, worm castings, even coffee grounds, which are high in nitrogen and phosphorus, which helps with fruit production. Manure from herbivorous animals like rabbits or horses is also a great source of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Oh, and don't forget about the importance of microbes. Microbes are tiny organisms that live in the soil and help plants absorb nutrients. They're like the workers that help your cucumber plants grow big and strong. To encourage microbial activity, add compost or other organic matter to your soil. This will create a habitat for the microbes to thrive and help your plants grow. So there you have it, folks. The secret to unlocking the ultimate fertilizer for your cucumber plants is to go organic by using natural fertilizers like compost, manure and bone meal. You can improve the health and quality of your cucumbers while creating a sustainable and eco-friendly garden. So why wait? Give your cucumber plants the nutritious meal they deserve and enjoy the bountiful harvest of fresh, delicious cucumbers all season long.